Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to copy a post link on Instagram. This is a handy trick for sharing specific posts with friends or saving them for later. Let's dive into the simple steps you need to follow. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Step 2. Next, go to the desired post that you want to copy the link for. You can do this by scrolling through your feed or by searching for the user who posted it. Step 3. Once you've found the post, look for the paper plane icon right under the video or image. This icon represents the share feature, so tap on it to proceed. Step 4. In the share menu that pops up, tap on Copy Link. This will instantly copy the post's URL to your clipboard, and there you have it. You've successfully copied a post link on Instagram. Now you can easily share this link through messages on other social media platforms, or even save it for future reference. This feature is perfect for keeping track of your favorite posts or sharing amazing content with others. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips.